Hello, hi. This is the part 2 of this video talking about being honest in the relationship. A lot of families are being teared apart today because most parents are not honest to each other. So the children watch them and see that they know that their father is not honest. When their mother is not there, the father moves with other women. And the children, they cannot report this issue because they are afraid of the family being teared apart. Some children have seen their mom with another man, believing that this man, the mom is dating this person. And they kept this thing secret. They know this mom and dad, they are not honest. And once people know you that you are not honest, no matter what you are doing, the kids will not, they even themselves cannot be honest. They may want to be honest when they are growing, but they won't. It also happens in business. There are people, they will say this is the ethics of the business. When you enter, they teach their children how to steal. You will know that this is exactly stealing. And they will say that is how to make profits. Your kids have known that the way you get your money is not legal. It will make them not to be honest. In honest, it is something that people see you. They look at you. They believe you. They follow you. They know you. You become their role model. It is not what you only say with your mouth. It is what you act that shows that you are honest, both in business, both in a relationship. Being honest in the kind of work you are doing. It can be government work. You see, come to work, you see a lot of teachers. Instead of them teaching, sometimes you see them walking up and down. They are not working. You see doctors, you see nurses. Instead of them working, they are abusing you. They lay abuse on you just because they don't want to work at that time. They are not honest. You are not honest to the society. You are not honest to whoever that have employed you. It happened even to police. You see them doing some things that you know that these things are bad. And that's why you see our country going from worse to worse every day. Because whatever you are saying, see people, parents that have come from home that want to buy fuel, they will come out and you see them start fighting each other. You didn't show that you are honest. Honest person is obedient. Honest person is a patient type. No matter what is happening, you see that person waits. This honest person is ready to fight anywhere. This honest person is ready to abuse. In this city of Lagos, you are driving your car, you just make a little mistake. Come and see the other driver. Some will park at your front. They will lay curses on you. If you can't control yourself, you will come down and fight. This is what honest can do. Honest will humble you. For you to be honest, you are a humble person. Do you want to be honest? Are you honest in what you're doing? You will see dishonest people, even online. You see them lay abuses at people, lay abuses even to the government. The way they talk show you that this person is not an honest person. It doesn't mean some will say, it's just to make money. It's a lie. You are not an honest person. Try to be honest. Being honest will help us to move forward. It will help us to have good children in future. It will help our nation to move forward. It will help that relationship that is falling apart to grow, come together again. That is being honest. Being honest, it is a gain. It's not lose.